Side of the net. Ooh, Serio spins. Lawrence, loose puck in front. Can't find the home. Slate battling in the corner. Serio puts it back in front. Out it comes. Hogan. Serio. Slate. Serio. Trying to take it wide. He shoots. Oh, what a rebound! Oh, Lawrence almost puts it home. Around the boards. Klugerman can't get there in time. Offsides. Farrell passing. He finds Dennis. Dennis shoots. Oh, what a save! Simi goalie on fire. Out it comes. Farrell. Oh, Serio fans. Uh-oh, 2-on-1. They dump it on Zach. Oh, Zach! Wow. Big opportunity for the Titans. Here it comes again. Serio gets it out of the zone. Here come the Titans. Hogan to Picard to Klugerman. He needs to get it out of the zone. Here comes Farrell. Farrell one-on-one. Oh, what a move. He shoots. Oh, nice save by the goalie again. Klugerman, bad angle shot. One of the D lost his stick. Start of the third period, still 2-1. Klugerman, ooh, he beats the D. He shoots. Oh, a little too close. Klugerman in the corner. Dario dumps it on net. Dario, back to the Simi D. Nice back checking by Wyatt. Wyatt taking it strong, beating them all. Nice save. Lawrence. That's a Hogan. Can't find it. It's way through. Gavin. Off the boards. Oh! Around the boards. Hogan in the corner. Over to Lawrence. D pinches. Out it comes. Oh, Serio on a breakaway. Oh, gets beat back to the puck. Lawrence. Lawrence, bad angle shot. To the point, Gavin holds it in. Puts it in front. It's loose. Oh, Lawrence had a shot. Slate with a chance. Another good save. Here comes Joey. First to the puck. He's got Serio. Tries to jam it. No dice. Farrell out to the point. Hogan. Oh, loses the handle. Pretty bad time. Off the boards, Picard. He's got Wyatt. He's got Wyatt. Nice pass. Ooh. Here comes Wyatt again. Circling. Finds the open point. Puts it on net to Picard. Oh, draws iron. One-on-one on Hogan. Long shot. Zach covers it up. One period left in one of these two team seasons. Riptide up 2-1. Tight game. Uh-oh. Oh, out it comes to Klugerman. Klugerman one-on-one. Oh, what a move. Gets through. Too close to the goalie who stuffs him. Oh, here we go. Lawrence can't get the handle. Shot does not reach the net. Lawrence. Oh, to Klugerman, who was wide open on the other side. Could not put it home. Into the zone, battling on the boards. Out it comes. Oh, Gavin to Lawrence. Lawrence loses the handle. Dario pokes it in. Here comes Klugerman. Oh, he's got a man in front. Lawrence. Lawrence is in the slot. Oh, right in the skates. Dario out to the point. Tries to put it on net. CMD picks it up. Out to Ogawa. Into Klugerman. Lawrence deep. Lawrence to Farrell. He's still got it. Klugerman spreading out. Oh, through three guys. Out it comes. Papad picks it up. Out to Dario. Hogan. Hogan. Here comes Klugerman. Farrell puts it back on net. Papard, corner. Out to the point. Rolling puck. Wow. Here comes Farrell. Going wide. Look at the speed. All alone. Oh, can't pull the trigger at the very end. In the slot is Vogel. Can't pull the trigger. Papard loses the handle. Benny in the corner to forecheck. Held in the zone. Out it comes. Hogan. Oh, Papard. Back comes Simi. In the corner. It's a man in front. Hogan creeps over.